Welcome everyone to my channel with a cup of chai or coffee. So I've been getting a lot of requests from my colleagues in the office, my American friends, Indian friends to uh, put recipes of lot of varieties of food. Some of the friends want to learn cooking, so they wanted some recipes in a simple way. So today I'm starting this new series where I will be putting a lot of recipes for you all. So today's recipe is ukma, which is a semolina recipe. It's very simple. You can cook it for breakfast or you can have it for lunch as well. All you need is urad dal. This is one type of lentil. If you can skip that as well, but it's very healthy. You need some peanuts. You need a grated ginger. You need onion. You need chili. If you're not a spicy eater, you can skip chilies. And then you need a lot of coriander leaves, which is spicy as well. I generally buy roasted semolina or suji, but you get it at Indian stores. But if it's not roasted, you can put some butter or a ghee, and you can put it in microwave for 1 or 2 minutes, and I think you can roast it. So I added cumin seeds and mustard seeds, but if you don't have cumin seeds and mustard seeds, don't worry about that. You can still uh, warm up the oil and add some onions to it. So one thing is very important, you always add the peanuts first, you roast them and then you add onions and other ingredients. But since I in a rush added everything together, at least what I've done is in this scenario you don't have to worry or take any stress. Just put peanuts on one side, let it get roasted in the oil, and the onions and then the lentil and green chili and everything on the other side. So let's cook this for a few minutes. Sometimes I also add coriander leaves, like a few leaves in the when I'm cooking, because it really adds flavor to your dish. So yes, but it's advisable to add most of the coriander leaves once everything is cooked, because we don't want it to it's really healthy, so we don't want to kill the nutrient value of it. But you can add few pieces at the beginning, so it, like I said, it really adds more flavor to the dish you're cooking. So isn't it very simple, guys? You just heat oil, add mustard or cumin seeds. You don't have them, you can directly add the onions, but remember, first you have to roast the raw peanuts. You add urad dal, which is lentil, or you get in Indian stores, or you can skip that if you don't have it. And then you can add some coriander leaves to add more flavor. And let's cook it for some time, and then we are ready to add semolina. So I finally added semolina, which is roasted, and like I said, if you don't get roasted, you can just put it in microwave for 2 minutes, and you can warm it up like 1 minute roll it, and again in a bowl you can microwave for another 1 minute, and I think you can roast it, or you can roast it on a pan as well if you want to avoid microwave for healthy reasons. So now here's the tricky part. Sometimes your semolina becomes very foggy, or it's like it becomes either very hard. It feels that water is less, or it's like too much of watery, and that's because you don't add the right quantity. So I took the suji in this small bowl. So exactly the amount of suji you take, you have to take double quantity of water. If you take 1 cup, you have to take 2 cups of water. I took 2 cups of suji or semolina, so I took exactly 4 cups of water, and I'm going to add this water to this. I also added, remember to add a little bit of more salt, because we are adding this kind of water. So you can add or sprinkle salt in advance if you want to. And now keep roasting and cover with a lid so it cooks properly. Generally, I cook it on a medium heat, but it depends. If you want it quickly, you can make the flame a little bit higher, but it's best to cook on a medium heat. And let's wait for this to get cooked. Once it's almost cooked and ready to be served, you can add as a topping a ghee, or you can use Amul butter or any kind of butter as a replacement, but it adds more taste, so you can add that on the top. Now I sprinkled it with coriander leaves from the top, and this is ready to be served. So enjoy your breakfast with semolina, and this is really a healthy breakfast. My family love this. So enjoy and stay in tune for more recipes. If you really like this, put a thumbs up, and do subscribe to our channel, because we are going to bring in interesting, not just recipes, but healthy and positive elements, fitness, yoga, and many more things. So see you all. Have a great day.